Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at a place in Derbyshire called Mercia Marina. Now Mercia Marina is it is the largest canal boat marina in Europe. So the largest canal boat marina in Europe. And what that means is it's the largest canal boat marina which has people living all year round on their canal boats. Now not everybody lives on the canal boats all year round, but there is quite a large number of people who live on the canal boats, and they can dock here all year round. It used to have a marina fee, so meaning that if you wanted to permanently dock your boat here, you'd have to pay a fee. It was, for the larger, wider boats like this, it was £7,000 per year, and for the slimmer boats it was £4,000 per year. But these were the prices last year, so I'm not sure if they've gone up. But there is a community who lives on their boats, and luckily for them there's been shops. There's a restaurant, there's a cafe, there's even a couple of boutiques. You can see they can get their breakfast here. There's even a couple of boutiques for them. There's another place on a boat where they can get the engine serviced for their boats. They can get their boats serviced. Boats got to be blacked, and there's different things which have to be done to the boats throughout the year. As you can see, there's someone there tending to one of the boats. There's someone tending to one of the boats. So this is Mercia Marina. People are out and about on their boats. It's a nice place. It's winter. You can see the water is it looks a bit murky today. You can see the sky, lots of clouds going on. But still, once again, people do come out. They do come out. There are facilities for them. There's little restaurants, a couple of bars here. There's a couple of bars here. There's even a little dog here. And a couple of little stores, boutiques. Hello, Hetty Sid. There's a Lotus Indian restaurant which is across there. I've eaten in there. It's very fine food inside there. Lotus. It's called Lotus Indian Restaurant. And this has actually been here. This marina development has been here just for a few years, maybe about 5 years. Before there was just a boathouse, but now there's a fine marina where you can come and, there's a shop, Bluebird, which sells fine art. As you can see, they've got fine art. So there's different things. There's an elephant, there's a lion. There's different things. And all of this, you can see, is quite an extensive marina. So this is Mercia Marina. Oh, there's literally thousands of boats. It goes right round Mercia Marina. Anyway, guys, if you like the content I'm putting out and you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you like the videos I'm putting out, hit that like button. Hit my like. We've got some kind of a swan, actually. It represents a swan, this statue. If you like the content I'm putting out, hit the like button. Share the videos to your friends. friends, family, neighbors, whoever might be interested in the content I'm putting out. And of course, have a good day, have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.